Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to my channel where every morning there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. You did think, say, when Jesus did talk truth to the Pharisee and the law teacher them, when him did talk truth to power, you think, say, I disrespect him, did I disrespect them? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, where you wait for, just go on now and click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. If you don't want to miss none of what I go on right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 11 from verse 37 to verse 54. After Jesus done talk, one Pharisee invite him in yard to come near with him. So Jesus go with him, and when he reach, he sit down at the table. The Pharisee shocked for see Jesus no washing hand them before he start eat. Cause this a sitting where the Pharisee them do, cause they think that will make them right with God. The Lord said to the Pharisee, "No, uno Pharisee, uno wash the outside a cup and plate, but in uno heart, uno greedy and wicked. The whole of uno a fool, not the same one we make the body, make the heart too. Give to the poor and do it from uno heart, and then that we show say everywhere clean. All uno Pharisee, trouble for uno, cause out of every 10 bungla mint, tea bush, and the sitting them when no grow in a uno garden, uno gigad one. But still, uno no deal with people fear, and uno no love God neither. When if you do, a deal with people fear, love God, and give God the one out of every 10 we uno have. Same way. Uno Pharisee, trouble for uno, cause uno love to sit down in a best seat in the Jew them church. And uno love when people go no special Audi when uno go market. Trouble for uno, cause uno come in like grave where people walk pan and no say they true they no have no mark pan them. One law teacher answer Jesus say, "Teacher, when you say they in Sydney, you disrespect we too." Jesus say, "Uno see all uno we teach the law, trouble for uno. Cause uno pack up people with load where they can barely manage. And uno no even live for one finger to help them. Trouble for uno. Cause uno build tomb for the prophet them. And the same people where no come from, kill them. When uno build tomb for the prophet them, when no people them kill, when uno a say that uno people did right. Sake of this, God will wise in every way. Say, may we send prophet and apostle give them, but then we kill them. Then we kill some, and them are going to make some of them suffer. The people them from that time, yeah, I forgot answer for all of the blood of the prophet them where them kill from the world start. From Abel go right down to Zachariah where them kill between the altar which part them bone sacrifice in a God house. Yes, me I tell you no. The people them from that time yeah, I forgot answer for all of them. Trouble for uno we teach the law. Cause uno take away the key. We open the way for people understand and know God word. Uno never go in and uno tap other people from going to. When Jesus left this so, the Pharisee and the law teacher them start to treat him wicked. Them ask him one bag of trick question so they could have catch him and use what him say against him. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.